Good day, everyone. Today we are going to present our e-commerce system, the Music Gem. The Music Gem is a one-stop store for your favorite artists and musicians' album, CD, vinyl, and their apparel merchandises. So let's get right to it. Run the program, and the users will be greeted with a login form, and it is necessary for a store to have an account first before they are able to browse along the shop and be able to fill up their carts and purchase. Now, click on the Sign Up button to create an account. Fill up all the necessary details. The username should have at least 8 characters. The email should be complete, including the @ without it, it won't continue. And the password should have at least one uppercase, one number, and a special character. So I'll be demonstrating and filling up this form. So let's pretend the name is Alex Gnome. So the first name is Alex and the last name is Gnome. So for the username, let's put in AlexG13. Email will be alex.gnome@yahoo.com. Password be nice 13 exclamation, and type it in again to confirm the password so it will match. Once you're done, click confirm, and with that, as you can see, the username is only 7 characters and it is 1 character short. And since the recommended character is 8 characters, so you'll be greeted with a invalid username prompt, and you should enter the right username containing at least 8 characters, only letters, numbers, hyphens, and underscores. So let's try putting an underscore between the Alex and G. So it is now an 8 character username. So our system provides an example of producing the right credentials to protect the users and also to strengthen their security. So click confirm. Once you're done, go back to the sign in module and log in your newly created account. And there you have it. Once you're done logging in, the user will be greeted with the store's feature system, where they can already have an idea of what the store provides. Before anything else, let's head right to the account information. And as you can see, that the newly created account has yet to fill up their address and contact number, since this is also necessary before they start purchasing.
Moving on to the product list. I will try to buy a record named Boy Genius. Adding it to cart, then wait for the confirmation prompt. Then click OK. Then going to your cart, you can see that the item is listed here. Upon clicking the checkout button, a prompt will show that you haven't yet to fill up the necessary user information. The user may or may not do it on the spot, but let's try clicking yes for now. As you can see, we are now forwarded to the account's information form, in which we are going to be fill up the information required. Once you are done, press enter to confirm. Now go back to your cart and proceed to checkout. The order form then will be shown in the screen reflecting your user profile, product, the delivery options, payment method, and the total. The user can select any of the desired method and press continue when ready. This will prompt the payment interface form, in which the user will fill up their details for the payment. Once done, click on the confirm and OK on the confirmation message. Each user will fill up their necessary information for the payment. After that, you will be transferred to the product status, in which you could view the information of your pending purchase, such as tracking number, order ID, total, order date, expected delivery date, and delivery status. Clicking on the View Order shows a more detailed view of the ordered product. That's all for the user POV.
Hello, my name is Cal Christopher Sermon, and I'll be presenting part of the admin module of our e-commerce store. To start, we first need to input our username and password. For the username, which should always start with admin.tng at and then the initials of the admin's name. As for the password, it is up to the user. Once we click Login, click OK, and then to go to the admin page, we need to click the logo which is located at the top left of the window. After you click the logo, this is where we will find the different available resources to manage the store. The first one is the dashboard, which shows the summary of different information and transactions that have been made to the store. We can see the total sales, customer registered, deliveries, pending and delivered, and then the top selling product. If we click one of these, for example, the total sales, it will take us to the order reports tab, where it will show information in greater detail. The next is the inventory tab. In this tab, this is where we will find records of all the products that we've listed into the store. You can see the product ID, product name, price, stock, and product type. We've also added a search function. For example, we type in Boy Genius, then click search for when we need to find information about a specific product. To edit the amount of stocks that we have on a product, we just need to find the product that we want, then under the stock column, type in how many stocks you want to add. Also, every time we change the stock, we need to click the Update Product button for it to reflect properly. The next is Order Report. In the Order Reports tab, you will find information about all the products that have been bought by a customer. You can see the order ID, customer ID, product name, quantity, product price, and order date. You can also see the total price of all the product price combined. Next is Payment Report. Under Payment Report, this is where it will show the successful payments and payment method that was used by the customer. Here we can see the payment dates, which records when the payment was made. As for the delivery fee, it's already included under payment amount.
Deliveries. In this section, we can see the details of all delivery from its tracking number, estimated delivery, delivery status, and even the total. If we then proceed to click the button, Update Delivery Status, the status of all deliveries will change corresponding on their estimated delivery date. For example, it is May 9 today. All estimated delivery date on May 9 will be updated as delivered, and all the estimated delivery date ahead of May 9 will remain pending. And also note that the system date is based on the device date. Customers. In this section, it is feasible to access comprehensive information pertaining to all customers from name, address, and even contact information, with the exception of confidential data such as passwords and other sensitive credentials, in order to maintain the security of such information and also to avoid privacy breach. Audit Trail. In this section, we can see all the complete records, logs of administrative activities, as well as customer activities such as transactions and actions from signing up, logging in, and even adding to cart. Audit Trail has it all recorded with a timestamp that can be readily reviewed. Admin Detail. In this section, we can see all the admin information, and at the same time, we can update our information. A pop-up confirmation will then appear every time you update an information, though we cannot update our username and admin position for security purposes. Admin position and username details can only be updated by the head admin.